Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about Sandbox. The ticker symbol is SAND. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new here, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Alright, let's start this by looking at the weekly chart of Sandbox here. As you can see, we saw our dump here. This very gigantic bearish bar here you can see, and after that we saw a retracement till the top of this bar. That's 84% recovery from the bottom. The bottom was at around 2.50 and we are now close to $5 level in the Sandbox right now, and in my opinion the level that we are trading right now is a very significant one. Let me go to the daily chart so you can see, we can see it more clearly here. As you can see, this $5 level was a support here as well, and when we broke out, it will now act as a resistance in my opinion. And I can also see the Bitcoin is at the resistance right now, and this Sandbox is also at the resistance. And another factor is that we have retraced so much in the last 2 weeks that the correction is due in my opinion. So buying here at the top would be a risky one. I can also see this trend line, downward sloping trend line right here, and this horizontal support resistance area. So be very careful guys. Two things could happen from here. Either we see a gigantic breakout to the upside right here, or gigantic breakdown to the downside here. So my bet is to the downside because we are still making lower lows and lower highs on the daily time frame, and we have recovered so much in the last few weeks, in the last 2 weeks, that a correction is due. So I'll be betting on the downside for the time being, and when the price comes here, let's say at around $3.60 level, then I'll start to look at the buying side. I hope you guys like this quick video analysis on the Sandbox. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.